Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a drop-down combo box border. This is my drop-down combo box and I'll edit this box border. Now select this form option and this select field option. Drag the mouse to select your field and this properties option select and again go properties and property dialog box will open. And go appearance option already selected or press right button mouse cursor says properties dialog box will open and this is border. You can change this border color, this border thickness and border line style, make it insert and so I'll let custom border color or you can select pen again where that is custom color. Yeah, this is in this way you can edit a combo box border. See this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.